tail in, man, on a rock tail. Keep it all the way my way. You can go fast, but mine can go anywhere. Oh my god! Oh my god, listen, you can't stop! Why do you open the door for? Oh, I swear his cage balls are not even tight. Oh my days, where's this guy put me on top of? Plastic! Alright guys, we're rough and ready. We got the big Jimny out. Where we're going? We're going Rothwell. Look at the bumper bars on this side. Proper machine. Let's see what this can go through. It's got the snorkel on. It's got a big metal bar at the back. Yeah man, it's gonna be fun. As you can see by the lift kit and everything. So we're just gonna go see what this off-road track's like now. And then we'll see what it can go through, what it can climb through. Power! Feel quite high in this, man. Yo, this is sketchy as anything. You do not want to come on the motorway in an off-roader. It is wobbling all over. You can see my hand there. It's really wobbling. I told this guy, he doesn't listen. Oh, he's in the fast lane. He's going for an overtake. He's going for an overtake. I don't even know if we're going to make it to Rothwell at this day. So don't turn into that left. Where the tom-tom sign is literally just here on the right hand side here. Good winch. Suzuki Vitara. Don't worry mate, we're in a Suzuki Jimny. Oh, someone's died out already. Someone's pulling him. Alright mate, how are you? Yeah. You have to ride that just in case you tipple over. Have you got some, we forgot to bring some wires and that, rope and that?
It's alright, if you can make your way up here, we'll pull you out like that green and the trailer.
Oh, no.
Just put Jimny.
Oh, it's £25 to come to Rothwell, yeah? £25. What time are you open till? 4:30.
Which of the been? I've never been here before.
How are we doing? You alright?
You know, you got no footwear for this.
Do you know what it is? Yeah, he literally grabbed me this morning. Do you know about me? Look at him.
It's a nice tool for it though, isn't it? Should be alright round there, shouldn't it, man?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've never been here before. Have you not? That's alright.
We've been
at deep water.
We've been at Cork and that.
Oh, you've been at Cork, yeah.
But we thought we'd try this. What's that? What you lot were doing? Is that the jack?
Yeah, the spring popped out.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
Back up.
And you popped it straight back in?
Yeah, I got it high enough to jack and popped it back in.
It's a monster this.
Yeah, it's alright, it does it itself.
You believe yourself, yeah? Yeah, man. What quad bike's this?
Can-Am.
What is
on the 570.
Yeah, man, looks quite big.
Yeah, it's alright, it's not bad.
Oh yes, off-road ready. Off-road tyres. Off-road tyres, are you ready?
No.
Are you ready, mate?
No,
So, listen, let me see what shoes you got on first of all. Oh my days. I see no monkeys out here. It's proper monkey, you know. Oh. You know, because it's already dirty, you don't feel bad for jumping in with dirty shoes. Yeah, you did right.
Still in rear-wheel drive, yeah?
Still in rear-wheel drive? Yeah, you know, you're a bit of a nutter, mate. You like a bit of sliding and that. Up there, man, go up there.
Oh, that. Not yet, man. Let get used to it first.
Go slowly through these ditches because you don't know how deep the ditch is, innit? Oi, deep water. Deep water, are you gonna survive, mate? Are you gonna survive? Ah! No problem. No problem. Let's see him. Yeah, he's come through. He's come through. He's alright. The little ones on it, kids on it. Oi. I heard bubbling, I swear.
No,
oh my god, listen, you can't stop. What do you open the door for? Are you still? Do not open the door, bro. Listen, don't stop here. Excuse me.
What?
Can you move a bit forward or somewhere? We're literally drowned. That's it. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Soldier day. Yo. Go on, Jimny. Oi.
I don't know where to go. I'll wait here for you. Not happening. Don't tell us BS last one.
No, he played it clever. Oh, you are a clever guy. You are very clever. He's played it clever. I swear he's played it clever. Oh, bro, I don't know how water's. Oh, yeah, water's coming. Oh, water's coming. I'm not even joking. Water's coming. I think you was enjoying that a bit too much, you, man. You were inside it like as if you. I swear you were just parked inside it. He's going up the hill. Ew, tensions are rising. There's a big hill coming in front. Did he make it? Ooh. You just gotta come down slowly like that, innit? So otherwise, if you press your brake and everything, you don't want it to go sideways. Root, peasant, root! Don't kill the peasant, man! Don't kill the peasant! Ah! Slow down! What the fuck? Oh, you couldn't see. Where the heck you were going then? Oh, that's scary, that one. You're trying to go down. Oh, watch out, Charlie. Hey, move. He's did it. Hey, he's did it. Yeah, man. Pajero's doing well. Did it go up easy? Yeah. Did it go up alright though? That means that his is quite good. I think them tyres made all the difference, you know. They must have. Come on, let's go. Oh, you going through now, mate?
I have no idea what I'm going through, man, but I'm going through it.
Oh, I swear you're a madman. Oh, that's deep, Pop. That is deep. You can't. There's no way back out as well. There's no way back out as well. Go a little bit forward, I tell you. Yeah, you're alright. You're doing it. Nice and easy. That's it. Your back end's in now. Your back end's in. Limed it.
Tell him not to come.
Go that way. He's coming. He's not listening. He's looking away. Oh, go the other way. Go that way. Let him come now. He's coming. He's coming. He's alright. He's got it. He knows what's happening. Hold on. He's stuck.
You need to go back.
He's stuck on the ditch. Shit.
Tell him take it back and rally it forward.
This is why you need Wellingtons. Let come bit this side. Let come left a bit. Let come this side a bit. Go on, let come. That's it. That's it. Slow down. You man. Oh, you're a crazy geezer. You, mate. Hold on, let me go. He's made it. Now the problem is, how am I gonna make it back into the Jimny? The water is deep, man, but it goes ding wong in it. You know the thing. Go left.
Oh, that is deep.
That is very deep, yo. Yeah. Hold on, there's a few of them stuck there. Wow, it's quite good, man. Look at the way it's climbing, isn't it? This is quite like deep, man. It's got loads of leaves and muck and oi, everything, and it's climbing it like it's. Wow, that was actually quite good, that, you know. He's going out. Yeah, man. Are you going up again? Deep that. It's misfiring. Loads of bumper guards left here. Hey up! Yeah, man! Straight through, no problem for the disco or the Jimny or the Pajero. What's happening on that side? I need to go get across this trench. It got out there, no, I think they're stuck anyway. Let me see, shall I jump in, yeah? Did you also get stuck?
I got stuck.
You don't mind a bit of muck,
Nah, jump in, bro. The trainers weren't a cat bus.
Yeah, man, respect. I think he's stuck here somewhere. Oh, he's there. Did yours get stuck back there? Was it alright?
No, I got stuck.
He's here. Go on, I'm gonna jump in with you. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, no worries, bro.
I got lifted! Top man! Hold on, the few of them stuck there. Wow, look how far his mud flying. Literally all the way here. Let it go that way. Let it come forward my way. Come forward my way. Let it come. Now lock it that way there. And now go back. You know what I mean? So you're going up on an angle. Jam this. Let go. That's it. It's quite good that, you know. It's quite good. Hold on, I think might need to go a little bit more back. hold it there. It should be alright there. Hold it there. It should be alright there. Go on, Aja. Let go straight. Yeah, man, Mr. Jimny. Ah, roads there. Wow, that is deep. Oh, he's done it. Oh, you're a legend! You're a legend, mate! It's quite deep, that, isn't it? Do you think the Jimny will go through? Oh, this guy's crazy. Oh, make sure it's in 4-wheel drive. Do not let go of the gas now. Wow, pull through, you know. Pull through. I can't even stand up here, man. It's that buggy. Oh, you're gonna run there! Ah! Yeah, man. More from a minute. Yeah? How am I going to get over all this? Hold on, wait for me! Hold on, let me dismount myself.
Wait her name.
Go slowly, please, yeah? Go on, let go. I'm stuck in. Oi, have you got a strap? Yeah, customer strap me down. Oh, I swear his cage bolts are not even tight. Oh my days, where's this guy put me on top of? Ah! Oh, you're stuck now. Oh, listen, this roof rack's not even secure.
Minibus. Minibus.
Check has he got diff lock on.
Why is it not going in four-wheel drive?
Check has he got diff lock on.
This time was spinning. This time
No, he has to be on diff lock. Check diff lock on.
Let go.
Check his diff lock on. Not all four spin without diff lock. Push it, it's alright. Push it!
Not pushing.
You get tired, so Pierre.
Help was on the way. 1, 2,
I'm not gonna gain there.
and that one there.
Show me the all
Top one.
on top again. Just slide up.
As long as you go past that bit, you'll be alright. Let it go right. Yeah, nice and easy, yeah. Keep it low. More right. No left. Go on, keep it up, rev it. Keep it my way, left. Keep it all the way my way. I should have rammed him a little bit, man. What for you? He legged it, is it? How's yours through here? Is it good?
Yeah, we're only on two-wheel drive though, so
Oh, what's
we've
up?
got to be a bit careful.
What's happened to the 4-wheel drive?
I think one of the drive shafts has snapped.
Oh shit. Just whilst you were here?
Yeah.
Oh,
today, this
shit, man.
morning, yeah. But you'll be all right, mate. Just stay away from the. There's a big one over there.
Right?
There's two roads right next to each other. There's
Yeah.
a big water trap on the right-hand side.
Oh,
Stay
okay.
away from that one. Oh, that big one that curves.
The one that curves around?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Stuck in there,
Yeah, we
definitely.
won't go in there then.
But yeah, mate, go for it.
Yeah, man, enjoy.
You'll piss through that.
They're alright, these are first one.
Fucking great little thing.
Yeah, our first one.
Yeah, mate.
They're monsters. Oh, is it gone sideways?
Yeah.
Will we be able to push it? Do you think we'll be able to push it? If you come back a little bit, get it on this verge, and I think we might be able to go up.
Yeah, she doesn't want to move much because we've only got rear wheel drive.
Oh yeah, shit. We'll push it over there, we'll help.
Yeah.
How many is it in here?
4.
Oh, you big lads. That's why you've got traction on you.
Yeah, exactly that, mate. Exactly that. Cool. Yeah.
But chicken 60.
Oh, I'm stood in the wrong place.
Yeah. Come back at yeah, that's it. He's got it. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, boy! Jimny power! Jimny power! He's doing it!
They're very capable, aren't
Yeah, for rear wheel drive, man. Let me guide these. I'm the guide, you know what I mean? So anyone wants to come Rothwell, you know what I mean? Give me a shout, you know what I mean? I know these trails now. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Come on. Keep it that way. That's it, nice and easy. That's it, you got it. Good driving, good driving. What? Yeah, let him come first.
No.
You need to go back a bit and then forward. Is it low, yeah? Pressed it! We are going after! Yeah, boy! Oh, this thing's a legend. Oh, so he's a good driver, you know, for a new off-road driver. Watch it, they come flying. My shoes stuck. Oh, he's got none. Oh, that was close. That. We've got the full house, people. We've got the full house with no back seats in the off-road. What can you say?
It's a house, you know.
Oh, look. Rough home. No exhaust on now. It's misfiring butt style, eh? Oh, you know about it, man. You know about it.
What's that thing on the side?
Let me check the height clearance. Let me just check the height clearance quickly. See, is it still the same? Yeah, it's the same, you know. It's got some hard springs on it. I'm recording. Go on your own side. Go on your own side. He's flipping on him. He's saying, go on your own side. Oh my days. Oh my days. Look how he's going down. Stunning with 4 big men deep.
One left, man.
One layer, man.
No, that one.
Easy, line running to the roof.
You didn't have it, right?
Close your window. Window.
Yes. Done it.
Close your windows up there. The window's fully open.
Is that right? He likes the brushes. He likes the bristles here in his face. He's a four-wheel drive. For your four-wheel drive, you crazy guy. There's chaos happening back here. Is it four-wheel drive?
This guy stepped out one side one. Shut the door 1 second, let me shut it for now. Shut the door.
He's not letting you in, pal. Oi. No time.
No time.
No time.
What is not there?
And then 1 second.
How can steam for?
Shut the 1 second.
4 men swaying in the car. That's bad. With your crazy driving. Oh, where's he gone?
I can't see it.
Oh, where's this guy gone? What? Oh, he's so top of it. Oh, where's this guy gone?
Run in.
Man, where are you going?
I have fucked that up. Hurt me.
Hello? This guy's on top of it. I'm gonna start pinching your ass, I swear.
I'm not taking the boat down. Stop.
I swear this guy's come to the front. Oi. Look where he's going. He's trying to get a seat. I'm trying to lift this guy's ass back up. Okay. Move for me, man.
I'm not taking fuck that.
Hold on a minute, man. This guy. Shut his
I can't drive.
He's pushing me into you. What do you want me to do? Hold on. Hold on, you run. Look what's happening. Stop. He's on an adrenaline rush. He can't stop. This guy's falling on top of me. Hold on, let's check the brake pad as well, man. going to be mad. I swear I'm gonna open this door, he's gonna go fly now. Hold on, let me open this door next to this wood. He's gone. Oh, he's gone.
I'm not done.
What are you doing? Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
I'm not saying that the bug.
Cappuccino.
Oh, that's right.